Yes, hello. It's another week. It's GREATNESSFX here, and if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe, like, and comment for great more context like this. So we're gonna look for the next week opportunities that where are we gonna get an entry onto. So I'm gonna start with DXY. First, we can see in DXY we're in a bearish move, and this is the high zone that hasn't been reached yet. So we go on the weekly, go on the daily too. Weekly, everything is the same. But when we go on the daily, I can see this as the fast structure to break and retest on the zone. So there's where I could have been looking for sales, though price hasn't managed to really tap on it. Price hasn't managed to tap, but it went all the way down without touching. So that's okay. I'm gonna find some bearish move. As we can see, price didn't reach all the way up. Price was creating higher lows, higher lows, then high with a rejection, higher low, lower high, then lower low. You see? So what I'm gonna be expecting from this bullish move that has been started, I'm gonna be expecting for price to go and touch this elimination now here and go the way down, because it's bearish on this move. So this is my view on the daily. Yeah, that's my view on the daily. First we're gonna spot the highs on the monthly and the lows too. Then we switch to the daily chart. So our highs, this is our highs on the monthly, and this is our lows on the monthly too. So let me change the color here. So this is our range from monthly, and we are on the daily chart. So as you can see from here, I'm gonna switch all the way down for us to get more moves. So this is 4 hour, switch to 1 hour. So 1 hour, also it's the same thing. For what I see, that price after price broke this zone, it actually managed to leave the first structural. So when price starts this bullish move, I'm expecting for the bearish move to continue in this. So I'm still expecting that price is gonna be creating new high highs and high lows on the next week, for us for the price to go and activate this order out here to keep on going on the bearish move. So this is my view on DXY. Let me keep a short position up on here. First, yeah, up on there, and let me try to put some feed position. Yeah, So this is my view on the XY, and I'm expecting more on this. So when we go back on daily, we can find that our prices out there ready to be activated. So we can move to the USDs, because we have the view, and we have the bias already. Yeah. So this is our Euro SD, and from this pair, for what I'm saying is prices in a bullish move, because actually because we can see that price was creating highs, lows, then a big impulsive move. First price created a trend of view, then created a big price move. And the moment that this trend was been broken to the downside, this is where this selling momentum just kept on appearing for us to go and test the first structure on the month. So after we test the first structure, we are going to test also the first, so as to go with the direction. This is my view on monthly. So I'm gonna be looking at from bias move from this point on configuration right here. As you can see on the monthly, this was our low, and this was our high. Yeah, this one was our high. Yeah, this is our high on monthly. We can go all the way down on the daily chart. Yes, so as we can see, on the daily we already have the market shift, and also not only that, but price left a big rejection down here, which it might indicate that there's a bullish momentum coming along. So we have to calculate those and take the opportunity by finding place for our entry. So this is our daily chart. We're gonna have to move on our 4 hour to 1 hour. Actually, I'm gonna start with my 4 hour. In my 4 hour, everything is like the same. I'm gonna go to my 1 hour. On the 1 hour, when I switch to line chart, I do see that price was creating highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, low, high, low, high, low, high, lower low. See, till price started creating this big correction that I started. We're gonna expect this correction to go and touch the first structure on the price momentum. So this is what I'm expecting, and this is where I'll be looking to my entries for the next week. And I'm not gonna take this sell. But actually I'm gonna wait for this buy, because it's gonna give me more opportunity to look onto it. So yeah, let me go to my 15 real quick to find that place that I'm gonna place and keep my entry. I'll look on 30 minutes. Yeah, so we see the price broke on the downside, leaving that invalidation right there left to be tested, but hasn't been tested yet. So I'm gonna have some moves on it on my 15 minutes. On my 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, I'm gonna look at this, cause it's like a domination out there, and as you can see, price left this invalidations to be taken away on the 15. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna expect this bullish move to keep on going. Though we're gonna wait for bullish confirmations. We ain't gonna straight to buy after price exactly tap on this, but we have to wait for confirmations first, for us to get that minor and for us to minimize our risk, our stop losses. So when I keep 20 pips, and for us to get that DP, we're gonna put the extension level. We're gonna find the extension level. So we're gonna find our TP. To find our TP, we're gonna put our extension level from the lowest to the highest. And our TP level, it's on the 161.8. That's where our TP level is. And move on it on the daily side. And move this extension level. On the daily side, that's the first structural tool. So that's where my TP is gonna be on this move, and I'm expecting whole new direction out from here, and I'm gonna be expecting some buys. I'm gonna be expecting some bullish move when price exactly taps on this area for us to calculate more moves. Yeah, so this is my view on USD. This is my move on USD. We're gonna change out a bit and go on the USD card. Actually, when we start on the hard time frames, we see that price managed to close on the previous candle, and this indicates that USD card is still in a bullish momentum. When we go on the daily chart, actually price didn't manage to close on the Thursday chart, on the Thursday candle. I'm not gonna really taking some buying opportunities from there. For example, if I'm gonna get any kind of reversal because of this extension rejection move, after I get any kind of reversal, that's gonna be a happy side for me, because I have an entry down here that's I've been waiting over. So this is my view on USD CAD, still bullish. GBP JPY. Reduce these lines in a bit. Let me try reduce these lines. Yeah. So GBP JPY moves down in our time frames. This is still a bullish move. Still a bullish move from this side. We go on the daily chart. On the daily chart, price managed to break below. Price managed to close above the Thursday candle. Then left that engulfing candle up there, and just before that price, let's look at this piece of past action right here. Price left this rejection down here and started creating lows and highs. Came in, tested structures, created lows, highs, left and been broken on the downside, kept on going. But look, price went and tested the invalidation of the daily. And not only that, but price didn't manage to break on the upper side. So price kept on going, kept on creating lower lows and lower highs. But for the trend that we know, it's a very bullish move. That price ain't supposed to be breaking on the downside. When it break, that means that all direction of buy ain't bullish no more. So as you can see, price didn't manage to close below these previous high lows and started creating highs. And for what I see, it's finding a high low for it to keep on going with this trend. So that's my move on the daily chart. And as you can see, we can mark here. Actually, we can mark this is the lowest of the daily chart, and these are the highs from the daily. So we're gonna go on the downward side to find that move. The 3 hour, I can see something in 3 hour. 3 hour, we have that change of trend. The price created a lower high, then lower low, then lower low, then created a higher high, then lower low, then it broke the whole trend. So that's the whole trend I've been broken. I'm not gonna find any kind of sell momentum out there because the whole trend have been broken. So when we move on our 1 hour chart, we see this is what price had created before the closing of the Friday. Price successfully managed to create a high thing, a low thing, and that. So what I'm gonna be finding out here, let me just put my Fibonacci. From the actual lowest to the actual highest. Now Fibonacci, we have our 161 over here. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it clearly so I'm not gonna forget that this is the 61 area. That's the actual move. And we go on the 15 minutes. In the 15 minute, The 15 minute, this is the invalidation on that. Damn, 20 pips, bro. That's the invalidation that it have left, but because of this pair has so much volatility, so I'm not gonna stay on the 15. I think it's gonna be okay for me to find. So this is the 1 minute. That's where I'm gonna be putting my eyes all into, because I did this just to minimize my risk. As we can see from here to here down is actually like 20 pips, and for me to reduce my risk, I'm gonna place my entry on this zone right here on that 1 minute, just so as I can reduce my risk to 10 to 15 pips. Yeah. Just as usual, for us to get the new TP point, we're gonna take the highs and the lows, and we get that our next TP is on these highs. So on these highs right there, it's like 400 pips. That's our next TP. And I still have my order running now here. I haven't closed it yet, and my TP is on the top there. So this is what I'm gonna be expecting on GBP JPY this week. I'm gonna expect for price to start with the bearish move, then trigger my order, then keep on going with this direction, bullish. So yeah, okay, this is USD Chief, and this is my view on it, because price had been making highs, low, highs, low, highs, low, highs, low, then high or low, to highs. See, after that correction move that started, price managed to go and touch the first structure of the move and created a high. So I'm expecting for lows on the downside for us to keep on going on our move. The bullish, because on the monthly side, you see that price had broke this trend and came all the way to test the structures on the downside. So this is a very good indication that this price is this currency is in a very good bullish move. So for us to get the TP zone, I'm gonna take the highs, the lower lows, and the highs, and sketch my TP. And my TP is gonna be all around that 61, and I'm gonna expect price to keep on moving and keep on creating our highs and our lows till to the 61. That's gonna be all around here on the first structure. Yeah, so that's gonna be my TP. That's where my eyes are all at. Yeah, it's another pair. This is my last pair. This Euro Audi, I do see some very good bearish move on this pair, and it's have been creating highs. It's have been creating lows, and it went to test the structures and left a very good rejection. To my side, this price is very bearish. Yeah, it's very bearish, and after price managed to leave all this rejection, it left at the structural and managed to create a low and went all the way up to test the structurals. So what I do see is price keep on creating lows. So we can go on the daily move. We can see that price managed to break below the Thursday candle. So this means that we are on the very good bearish move. So we're gonna go on the 1 hour. First, before I rush, when this zone has started, when this had been broken down, price left this as a first structure and kept on creating these correction moves all the way as it likes. And when it starts the big correction move, we're gonna expect price we're gonna expect the turning point to be on the first structure, as I said before. So yeah, price tested the first structures and left at the first structure, then kept on going down without going all the way up. So when we start with the correction move on Monday, I'm gonna be expecting price to come and test on this first structure all the way up out here for it to continue with the direction, which is sell move. So that's actually my view. This is GREATNESSFX. Don't forget to follow, to subscribe. Don't forget to like, to comment, because when you do that, YouTube makes this video to go all the way and to help all those others who don't know what strategy is this all about. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share, follow, like, and everything. Much love, and everyone is welcome at GFX, GREATNESSFX. Have a nice, pleasant week and calculate more pips. Yeah, thank you.